Everyone, welcome to easyedu, and today I'm going to show you how to separate text in the columns of Excel. Let's suppose I have this data, and if I drag and drop it here, then here you can see that all this data is in the same column. So I want to separate this data into two different columns. First, select this column and click on data. Here you will see the text to column option. Here you will see these two options. This first option is based on if you want to separate this data based on some specific notation like dot or column, then you can use this first option. Let's try. So I will separate this data based on this dot here. For doing so, you can select semicolon, comma, but here you see there is no comma or semicolon. I will select, click on other, and in the other type here dot. Now click on next and click on finish. Now here you see we have created two new columns, and the data in this column was separated on the base of that dot. Now let's try another method. I want to separate this data which is on the right side 0, 3, 1, -2 and so on into another column. Now select this and click on text to column, and here you will see the fix width option. Here you see there is a fix width in this section. Click on this, next, and now next, and click on finish. Now we have three columns A, B, and C. Now we have separated the initial data to three new columns. That's it. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe easyedu for more videos.